what's up here. But there's basically going to be 3 people that sit in my chair on any given day. And this is generally what it looks like, broad strokes, okay? So let's consider the misinformed. The people that are really on TikTok, YouTube, really honing in on all the influencers, and having a little bit of the mentality of like, you just need to find out what works for you. Coconut oil works for me, right? But it might be castor oil for you, okay? But for us as professionals, are we reaching for those raw ingredients?
No,
Why?
they're too heavy.
Yeah, for your hair.
Damage your hair.
You guys hear that?
They suffocate the moisture.
Mm-hmm.
Closed off the professional guidance with a question mark. Depends. Because you have to understand the brain chemistry around being influenced and continually being influenced and trying to achieve a type of hair or a pattern that doesn't even resemble their own oftentimes. So it's considering what they're seeing, how they're being visually stimulated. They're perplexed. This is what I see quite frequently. This is like really what's sitting in my chair. Really search far and wide, like, oh my gosh, like who can help me? Like what's going on here? If you were to look under their sink in the bathroom, it's full of product, like and they're not really thrilled with much of anything. Right? Product is a tool. It actually doesn't matter how good a product is. It really comes down to how you use it, how you've been coached on it, how you've given feedback to a professional so that the professional can say, what if we did it this way? Okay? Hasn't partnered with a professional in some time, but they're ready to like maybe take a chance, and they've probably researched the hell out of you.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's
I've
been-
been moving for years.
Yeah, it's everyone hear that?
Yeah.
Years.
Years.
That's a big deal.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I mean, if I asked Leon, I'd know. This is smooth sailing, the journeyed. Okay? Now that I'm working with someone like Holly, she's journeyed. She maintains.
Your hair's
She's on
beautiful.
She's on a schedule.
I'm a good blonde now. Really blonde.
Partner with a professional, has an actual consistent routine that nourishes their hair. Because we were really honing in on how important the cleansing condition is. Like, it seems so silly to have to be like, please wash and condition your hair. But really, it comes down to the misinformation of people are like, I don't wash my hair for 2 months, and did you see how much it grew? But it's like, did you feel it? Did you smell it? You know, like things along those lines. So that's just trying to be real about it. Open to new professional guidance. I think hopefully everyone that's sitting here knows that they could come to me and say, I want to do something different today. And I wouldn't be like, I don't know about that. I don't know if that's gonna be for your face. Like, you know, it's like, no, if you open up that door, we are exploring. But that comes from the confidence of putting the reps in, right? Service is seasonal, 3 to 4 times a year. Our guests usually aren't coming like every 6 weeks. My guests that come every 6 weeks are getting a haircut seasonally, and then they're coming for a treatment and a style to kind of help bridge the gap, to care for their hair. And I love that because that's actually a great opportunity to check in with how their routine is going and not have the stress and anxiety of having to like cut a brand new shape or be pressed for time. You guys kind of see yourself somewhere?